Hey everybody, it's me Awista Anwar and today we'll be learning about speed. So let's start. Speed is how fast an object is moving. If a driver in a car and a cyclist start their motion from the same point with their usual routine, then you can see that the car covers larger distance than the cyclist in the same time. It means that the car has greater speed than the cyclist. Faster things cover greater distance than slower things in the same time. Let's understand this concept using example. You start your journey from your home in Islamabad to your village. You stop at rest area on motorway. After covering 180 km after a while, you complete your remaining journey of 120 km. It took 3 hours to reach your village. Find your average speed. Total distance of your journey 180 km plus 120 km is equals to 300 km. Total time taken by you is 3 hours. So your average speed will be average speed total distance divided by total time. We have the distance as 300 kilometers and the time we have is 3 hours. 300 divided by 3 is 100 kilometers. So the average speed of your car will be 100 kilometers per hour. As you read on the last page that a rocket can speed of 40,000 kilometers per hour, it means that it covers distance of 40,000 kilometers in just 1 hour. So we need to know two things to measure speed, distance and time. Definition: distance covered by an object in a unit of time is called its speed. Formula: speed, distance, time. Symbols for speed is v, for distance the symbol is s, and for time the symbol is t. So we write above formula as v is equals to s divided by t. So that's it for today's lesson, everybody. I hope you learned something new. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.